So here's me in Coco's cage. There's her food and water bowl. And here's her bed. And this is the little part that she sleeps in here, I bet, at night. There's Peanut right there chilling out. And Coco is currently trying to climb all over me. See? Not even weighs 4 pounds yet. And she's trying to teeth me. See, look, she teethes. She kind of nibbles on my fingers because she's still in the phase of teething because she's a baby. She loves attention. It's so funny. Okay, fine. And she's kissing me. Yeah, she's the same breed as Peanut. She more has the behavior of a poodle, I think, even though she is a Shih Tzu. Shih Tzu and poodle mix. Here, I'll put it into wide angle so you can see more what's going on here. So like, as you see on her back, see, it doesn't even hurt me when she nips me because she's not trying to bite. See, she has a little white on her belly. All right, I'm out of here. Oh, you can see her eyes right there in the light. She's barking because she wants attention or she wants to play with Peanut. She just played with him. So yeah, here's Coco again. Here's Peanut by the stairs. Coco, hey.